Do you need to buy compression packing cubes for your Alaska cruise? Let's do an experiment to see. Here I have a checked bag entirely filled with clothes and items for Alaska. First, let's see how much a compression cube can condense this puffer vest. As you can see, the cube condenses the item, but only a little. In my opinion, compression cubes do save some room in your luggage, but only a small amount. Now let's repack the luggage with these 4 packing cubes that I have. Here are the cubes packed before compression and after compression. In this case, it works best for me to fit the cubes in vertically. In this scenario, I haven't gained very much additional packing space with my packing cubes. In my opinion, the real value that comes with compression packing cubes is simply making your luggage more organized. You can choose to organize your items by having all like items together, such as all pants in a cube, or one outfit in each cube, or all workout clothes in each cube, or whatever might work best for you. The other major benefit of compression packing cubes is that you can grab a bunch of items at once with a cube than individually without one. This makes packing and unpacking your luggage much easier. Also, your cubes can serve as drawers inside or outside of your luggage, again for easy organization. Now that we've covered some of the benefits of compression packing cubes, let's talk about a couple of helpful travel hacks I've discovered for them. The first hack is that small packing cubes are great for organizing a travel backpack. I like to use a packing cube to organize my carry-on backpack for the airline to separate my snacks and meal food from other packed items. The small packing cube takes up less room than a lunch bag, and the handle makes it easy to pull it out. Second hack is to purchase packing cubes that you can see through, so you can see at a glance what's packed in there. While I purchased 2 different sets of packing cubes and they worked well overall for my trips, I found that it would be even more helpful if I could see through the cubes. Therefore, I decided to purchase compression packing cubes with a mesh or see-through fabric in the future. I like to avoid plastic and I look for fabric ones. I'll list some options in the description. The bottom line on compression packing cubes, in my opinion, is that they are not necessary, but they are very helpful. And as they are sturdy, you'll be able to use them again and again, which also gives you more value for your purchase. What are your thoughts on this topic? Please let me know in the comments below and subscribe for more videos.